Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the perfect pancake. What you have to do, you have to use 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of milk. And I like to add like a quarter, maybe like a tablespoon of rum, dark Haitian rum. And also I add 1 egg and a little bit of sugar and a little bit of salt. I'll say about 1 tablespoon of sugar and like a pinch of salt. And then your pancake will come out very beautiful and shiny like this. If you want, you can add some vegetable oil. But when I'm doing it, I don't put any oil. I just use a non-stick pan and then just pour the pancake in there. And make sure the oven is not too hot. That way it doesn't burn like you want it to cook. The way you know that it's cooking, it's gonna bubble. It's gonna have a bunch of little holes, and as you can see, it's starting to cook. So don't flip it until you like see the whole circle is covered with bubbles. This is going to be so delicious. I know they sell those powdered pancake and they tell you to just add water, but it doesn't come out perfectly. So now it's cooking, it's cooking. So it's good to add and add a little bit of butter too. Okay, at this point we can flip the pancake. And now we have a very beautiful, well-cooked pancake. Yummy. And just pour some, you can eat it with fruits or whatever you want. I just like it with a lot of